The Kentucky Derby is rich in tradition and beauty. It's the longest running sporting event in the U.S., and it's considered the most exciting 2 minutes in sports.
They're off in the Kentucky Derby.
Last year, American Pharoah made history by winning the Derby, then the Preakness, and the Belmont, the elusive Triple Crown. After his amazing career on the track, Pharoah's starting his second career as a stallion. But the Derby spotlight this year isn't on AP, it's on the up-and-coming sire, Uncle Mo. He's up against America's top stallion, Tapit. If you want to breed your mare with him, it will cost you $300,000. Both Tapit and Uncle Mo will have 3 of their offspring running for the Roses. This will be the first time in history 2 stallions will have 3 horses each in the Derby. Uncle Mo's first offspring propelled him to 3rd when it comes to sire earnings this year, and it's given him a leg up on Tapit with the favorite Nyquist on Derby Day. Mo's career on the track was exceptional as a 2-year-old, but as a 3-year-old, he got sick. He was scratched from the 2011 Derby, then retired to the barn.
I never thought Uncle Mo would be a better stallion than he was a racehorse, but he's going to be, which is really, really cool.
Uncle Mo's co-owner, Mike Rapole, cheered with 40 members of his friends and family as they watched homebred horse Outwork, one of Uncle Mo's sons, win the Wood Memorial. The victory guaranteed Outwork and the 3rd Mo baby a spot in the Derby, proving Uncle Mo's progeny are a force to fear.
I think just in the short time he's been a sire, he's already proved that he'll be one of the greatest sires of all time. This is his first crop. I mean, this is pretty special.
$220 and Mitch, $220,000.
Pole bought Uncle Mo in 2009 for $220,000.
This is an overwhelming performance by Uncle Mo.
And before he was retired, Mo won over $1.6 million on the track. Now, as the Mo babies prepare to run for the Roses, Rapole is readying to cash in on their success. Uncle Mo is visited by 150 to 200 mares each year, and with his offspring's recent success, visits could rise to $150,000 each. That's double the $75,000 he demands now. That means he could bring in $20 million next breeding season, and his valuation is now $100 million.